This is going to be another multi-part video series. That said, I will not be posting daily like the last video series. Instead, I will post on my regular schedule, Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday until the series is complete. Also, on a side note to those of you coming from Torum.com, Sage Wisdom is still in the works and will be airing here on YouTube and Torum.com Saturday, September 2nd. Now let's get to it. Understanding Bitcoin mining, powering the foundation of the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin mining serves as the essential cornerstone upholding the integrity, functionality, and growth of the Bitcoin ecosystem. It is the pivotal process that validates and adds Bitcoin transactions to the blockchain ledger, all without the need for intermediaries. This system operates through a distributed proof of work, POW or POW, mechanism, fostering participation, and driving the network's security, expansion, and decentralization. Drawing an analogy to traditional mining, Bitcoin mining does not involve physical excavation in deep caverns. Instead, it encompasses the method of introducing new Bitcoins into circulation while appending fresh transactions to the Bitcoin timeline, which we now recognize as the blockchain. These seemingly straightforward actions are achievable due to a resilient computational framework that adheres rigorously to the Bitcoin protocol and governance. This framework establishes the foundation for the robust, decentralized, and innovative monetary system that is Bitcoin. This video aims to elucidate the functioning of this intricate technological and economic structure, endeavoring to dispel misconceptions regarding its energy consumption with factual information and cogent reasoning. Mitigating transaction fraud, a secure approach. Bitcoin mining is responsible for generating new blocks and incorporating them into the ledger according to predefined rules. To achieve consensus, participant nodes in the network must concur that users, identified through cryptographic addresses, possess legitimate ownership of Bitcoin balances. In contrast to conventional payment systems reliant on trusted intermediaries like banks, miners fulfill the coordination function for the Bitcoin network. This eradicates the need for a third-party entity and the associated risks. To eliminate the potential for double spending or unauthorized expenditure, Bitcoin employs digital signatures, a cryptographic innovation dating back to the 1970s. A private-public key pair acts as an unassailable proof of ownership, granting exclusive rights to the private key holder to utilize or transfer Bitcoins. However, the use of digital signatures alone does not resolve the double spending dilemma, the risk that the same Bitcoins have been spent elsewhere. To tackle this concern, Satoshi incorporated Atom Back's hash-based POW concept. This mechanism arranges transactions chronologically into blocks, allowing the network to reach consensus on the current ledger state by pursuing the longest chain of blocks. This approach safeguards the blockchain against attacks, as transactions can only be reversed if malicious actors recalibrate the POW for all preceding blocks. Given the continuous addition of new blocks, such a feat is virtually insurmountable. Mechanics of Bitcoin mining, unveiled. Mining necessitates substantial computational effort, resembling the work undertaken within expansive data centers. Some miners employ application-specific integrated circuit computers, or ASIC miners, wielding computational power to vie for the privilege of appending the next block to the blockchain. This action not only introduces new coins but also bolsters the trustworthiness of the cryptocurrency network. Trust is solidified as transactions gain confirmation once a sufficient amount of computational power is devoted to the respective block. As more blocks become integrated into the chain, trust accrues and fortifies. Miners consolidate an adjustable number of transactions into each block, a quantity determined by the data held. This figure can range from a single transaction to several thousand, dictated by the block's stored data. Over time, the issuance of new Bitcoins diminishes through the halvening, an event transpiring every 4 years. The rationale behind Bitcoin mining. Just as physical minerals demand laborious mining efforts before entering circulation, Bitcoin necessitates intensive computational labor to secure its foundation. The raison d'etre for this lies in safeguarding the digital data within the blockchain from replication, counterfeiting, and double spending. The substantial computational exertion demanded by Bitcoin mining is sufficiently resource-intensive to discourage malicious entities. These actors opt to expend resources on mining rather than attempting to compromise the system, thereby bolstering security. Moreover, this process is indispensable for introducing new Bitcoins into circulation. If mining ceased, the network would persist, albeit with millions of Bitcoins already in circulation. However, the financial incentives awarded to miners facilitate the completion of a system that might otherwise remain incomplete. In conclusion, Bitcoin mining stands as the bedrock upon which the entire Bitcoin network is constructed. Its intricate interplay of technology, economics, and security underpins the decentralized monetary landscape we navigate today.